Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create a flowchart that continuously print user input number until a 0 is entered. Here we are going to create flowchart that takes continuously user input number until a 0 is entered. Flowchart. Flowchart is a graphical representation of solved problem. Here we using different shapes like oval shape, diamond, rectangular, parallelogram, like that, geometrical shapes. Flowchart is start with start statement. It is writing within a oval shape. Within oval shape, we have to write start statement. Next, here we have to print user input numbers. Here we have to print user input number. So in next step we have to read a number, input value, input number. So input is always writing within a parallelogram shape. So we have to draw parallelogram shape. Within that we have to read a number. Consider variable n represent input user input number. Okay, n here, n is user input number. Next, we have to compare n with 0. Comparison is always done within a diamond shape. So within diamond shape we have to compare if n is equal to 0. Here condition is there. We have to print user input number until a 0 is entered. If next we have to check if n is equal to 0. If this condition is false. If this condition is false, means given number is not 0. Then we have to print a number. Output is writing within a parallelogram shape. Within that we have to print n. Here we have to print a number, that is n. Next we have to repeat this process. It will continuously taking input number, right, until a number is 0. Got it? Next again it will read a number, that is read n. If n is equal to 0, in case if n is equal to 0, here we have to stop the flowchart. If this condition is true, if given number is, this is stop statement. So stop statement is writing within a oval shape. Within oval shape we have to write stop statement. So guys, this is the flowchart. Let's see how it works. Flowchart is start with the start statement. Next we have to read n. If n value is equal to 7, if here it will check if n value is 7, right? 7 is equal to 0? Not, right? 7 is not equal to 0. So it will print a number n, that is print 7. Next again go back to this read process, that is input process. Read, consider n value is equal to 3. Next it will check if 3 here n is equal to 0. It is not equal, right? So it will print 3. If n value is equal to 0, here read n. If n value is equal to 0, it will check if 0 is equal to 0. This is true, right? So it will stop the flowchart. Got it? So guys, this is the flowchart that continuously print user input number until a 0 is entered. It is start with start statement. Start statement is writing within a oval shape. Next we have to read input number, that is read n. Here n is a user input number, n. Next we have to check if n is equal to 0. If this condition is false, if n is not equal to 0, next we have to print n, that is user input number. Here we have to print n, and it going back to continue this process, read n. If n is equal to 0, if this condition is true, as per our program we have to stop at 0. If user enters 0, it will stop the flowchart. We have to stop. Stop is writing within a oval shape. Here start and stop is statement is writing within a oval shape. Input and output. Here read n and print n is a input and output process, right? This is writing within a parallelogram shape. Here if n is equal to 0, this is a comparison process, right? Comparison is always done within a diamond shape. So this is a diamond shape. So guys, this is the flowchart that continuously print user input number until a 0 is entered. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. All the best.